Good morning. This is Sujata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Degree College Women, Karimnagar. Today I am going to give a lecture on chromosomes structure. Chromosomes. When we see the structure of chromosomes, it consists of the following parts. First, chromatid, centromere, secondary construction, satellite, telomere. These 5 parts are present in chromosome. First one, chromatid. Each chromosome it consists of 2 chromatids. In metaphase, we observe each chromosome consists of 2 chromatids. The chromatids belongs to the one chromosome are called sister chromatids. The chromatids belongs to the 2 chromosomes are called non-sister chromatids. So these chromatids they join at the place of centromere and remaining part they are separate. When we see the centromere, the second part of the chromosome, centromere is present in the chromosome. At the centromere, these 2 chromatids belongs to the one chromosome. They join at this centromere place. At the centromere place only chromosome it bends. So depending on the position of the centromere also, the shapes of the chromosomes, different types are there. At the centromere, kinetochore structure also present. At this kinetochore, during the cell division, spindle fibers attaches to this kinetochore, which is present on the centromere. And third part is the secondary construction. Apart from first primary construction, that primary construction we also called as centromere. Secondary construction also present in chromosomes. So at the secondary construction, nucleolus organization takes place. That's why this part is called as nucleolar organizer region, in shortcut NOR. So secondary construction, at the place of the secondary construction, nucleolus organization takes place. And fourth part is the satellite. After the secondary construction, the chromosome part is called as satellite. Where the chromosome consisting satellite part, that chromosome is called as SAT chromosome. And next part is the telomere. Chromosome they show the polarity. The pole part of the or the end part of the chromosomes is called as telomere. So the main function of the telomere is it prevents the fusion of the 2 chromosomes. So the end part of the chromosome is called as the telomere. So this is the image of chromosome showing the parts of the centromere and the SAT that is which is present after the secondary construction. And next picture is showing the 2 chromatids, that is totally 4 chromatids. The 2 chromatids are sister and these 4 are called the non-sister chromatids and the kinetochore structure on the centromere. So this is the parts of the chromosome. Thank you.